Good day everyone, and welcome to the Mommy McCracken channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this super simple 5-tiered salad garden using Dollar Tree stackables. Along with your planters, you are going to need a garden stake, soldering iron, medium terracotta pot, and the lettuce or plants of your choice. We begin by letting our soldering iron warm up, then melting a hole in the center of each planter. We want them to be as tight to the support pole as possible. It may take a few tries, but that's okay. Don't forget those drainage holes. Once each planter has drainage and support holes, fill each with potting soil, adding one layer at a time as you fill them. All right, the foundation is done. Now for the fun part, adding our plants. I had some desperate lettuce babies that needed a better home than their starter pots, so I've made ours a salad garden. But you can do cascading flowers like petunias or even strawberries. Once you have them all in place, it's time to check the stability. Lift with the knees, not the back. All right, everything is all good. It's always a great idea to give your fresh transplants a nice watering. It looks pretty great, but we're not done yet. While some of that garden stake will be in the ground for security, there's still a bit poking out at the top in it. That's quite the eyesore. So we're going to cover it with some flowers. Now, place a decorative pot on the top. You can take it even further by painting or decoupaging yours before installing it. I just really don't have that kind of time right now. We all know that feeling. Because it is approaching summer, I am going to put it in a more shaded area, so impatiens are a nice touch. Alright, let's take her to her spot in the garden to soak up the sun. Level it off if you need to and hammer the garden stake down so the winds don't blow it over. Be sure to give yourself more space for pruning and picking than I did. I truly hope this simple project is as encouraging for you as it has been for me. This inspired me to open up a bigger, ongoing project in a spot off the side of our house that gets the morning sun just beautifully. I'm looking forward to seeing where things grow from here. If you enjoy our family channel, please friends, like and subscribe now. I won't bombard you with notifications because quite frankly, I'm too busy to upload consistently, so showing us this kindness now will go a long way in helping YouTube's algorithm know that we exist. For more garden-related DIYs, please visit Mommy McCracken's Crafting Cottage playlist. Thanks for dropping by and have a blessed, beautiful, and crafty life.